Hey, it's Devon and Jay, and this is the Adventures of a Fire Tiger. We're on a road trip across the United States. We've been at it a while in our 14-foot travel trailer. We started this journey back in Florida, and we're living full-time in our 14-foot trailer.
Devon wanted to go home.
We do a lot of adventuring and exploring, and every day we try to take over the world.
What'd you use?
If you like our videos, subscribe to stay updated on all the latest and greatest adventures in the campground, on the road, boondocking, and in the wild. Thanks for watching.
It's not for the faint of heart.
I got scared shit. Yeah, I thought I was done it that way.
Jay, I'm scared. Is there going to be tarantulas in here?
Probably. Come on, let's go.
I'm coming. It's like steps made into the rocks.
Big step right here. I actually have to put down the GoPro.
Wow, that's pretty epic.
You ready?
That's the top over there.
How did these old guys do this?
You're almost there.
No pressure if we fall. Crevices.
Yeah, you got that landing and you think you're done, and then you look up and then you gotta go a couple over more.
It's not for the faint of heart.
He knows. He knows.
I wait for one, Deb.
Oh,
I can
okay.
wait. I can wait. Go ahead.
Okay.
Put that thing down.
Okay.
God. That's not bad. You hit this flat up there and you think you're done. Little false stop. A couple more tears in. Sure.
Yeah.
$10
You're
minutes.
gonna think you're done,
I was expecting it to be longer.
and then there's a couple more.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm serious. We're like belaying without belaying.
Off the edge.
Do you need some water? Water? Chocolate? Yeah.
She has lots of water.
Warmer.
Some organic up there?
Yeah.
She's got altitude sickness.
Oh no.
Yeah, she's better to go backwards here.
Yeah.
A little tricky right here, Devin. I think the root would be your friend.
Oh, big steps.
Yeah, that's a big step.
Big steps or small legs?
There you go. There you go.
Some of us did it one-handed with a GoPro. Some of us did it barefoot. So where'd that barefoot lady go?
I saw people doing it barefoot.
Yeah. So you're like, do a tarantula call.
Sloth, love, junk.
I'm doing the videos here. I'm the fucking star.